Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Telegram password. Maybe you want to change to new password or you forgot your current password. I will show you how to fix it. First, open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, and then you can go to settings in the top left corner here, and there is settings here. You can click it, and now as you can see there is privacy and security. You can click it. Then there is two-step verification. It will ask your password, your current password. If you forget it, you can just simply forget password here. You can click here and they will send you a message on your email associated with your Telegram account. I will just type my password, and then you can now change your password or disable password or change recovery email. You can add and now you can change your password or you can disable your password. It's very easy, right? That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.